Hi, this video is based on KB 1011368, how to create an FTP user on a filer or a NetApp storage system. So as you see in the video, we are already connected to a NetApp storage system using PuTTY through SSH. We'll start with creating a volume which is 10 GB in size. We'll create it in the first aggregate and we'll give it the name FTP home. That completed successfully. Let's go ahead and create a queue tree inside this new volume, and we will also name the queue tree FTP home. The next step is to use the fsecurity show command to check the security on the queue tree. We need it to have complete read, write and execute permissions. As we see, it shows up as 0777 with all of them showing up as RWX. And lastly, we'll use the queue tree command to check if the queue tree is ready to be used and successfully created. So now we'll go ahead and actually enable the FTP subsystem on the NetApp storage system. In order for us to do that, we need to enable the option ftpd.enable on the storage system. So that confirms that the FTP subsystem has started. The next step would be to check the contents of the /etc/passwd file. So we use the rd file command, and then we actually go ahead and generate the CIFS password for the FTP user. So the command would be CIFS passwd and the password is FTP123. The encrypted password is shown. We are copying that to the notepad. We also need to copy the entire contents of the /etc/passwd file into a notepad because we need to later edit it. So we just highlight it and paste it. Now we need to actually go ahead and put in the line which actually will create the FTP user on the system. So the FTP user would have the username as FTP user, colon, the encrypted password. We need to paste that, and then a colon. Then we need to put in the UID and the GID, which should be unique as shown in the KB, both separated by a colon, and then a colon again, and then FTP space anonymous colon, and then we need to type in the entire path to the queue tree, colon. So the line that we just added to the end of that list needs to be now transferred to the existing passwd file. So we use the wr file command and then the path, hit enter, so that makes the file ready to be edited. We copied the contents from the notepad and we paste the contents, and as you can see, the last line would be the new user that was created. Hit enter once and then use the Control-C combination to actually close the file and save it. So the error message that may be displayed is a normal thing and need not be worried about. So we have the FTP user set on the storage system, and hopefully it should be working. We'll test it out by actually going ahead and accessing the FTP directory that we shared through FTP from a Unix host. So on the screen I have a Linux machine from which I'm actually going ahead and using the FTP command to the filer IP address. I'm using the login ID as FTP user. The password would be FTP123 that we created, and we successfully logged in. We see that the present working directory is FTP home, and we are able to list the directory contents. So from a Unix machine, we are able to access it successfully. Similarly, we'll go ahead and access it from a Windows machine as well. The process should be similar. We use the FTP and then the IP address to the storage system, the user ID, enter the password. We confirm that we are in the correct directory and we are able to do a directory listing. That completes the video. Hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching.